Hello everyone. Today let's see how to use ABS function in Excel. So basically what does it do? So this function calculates the value of a number irrespective of whether it is positive or negative. So let's see how this work. So first of all you have to create a table. So let's have create a table, a number and absolute value. Absolute value. Okay. So going to use number 5 minus 5 2.25 minus 2.25. So the formula will be used like ABS, select the cell, close parenthesis, press enter, and now you can see here we got the all number in the positive. So the absolute value is in positive format. So basically we have to now let's explain with the example in brief format. So first of all we have to create again a table. So let's have a create a table. So going to create table test is the column number and the required length and actual length. And difference. Okay, this is the table header. So test 1, test 2, test 3, that's enough, and the length is 130 and 150 and 120 and 120 and 150. Okay, so let's use the formula. So first of all let's see if we will directly use the subtraction, like I'm going to use equal, select the cell, use the minus, select actual length, press enter. As you can say we got the 0. But if you will drag in, then as you can see if I will minus 120 minus 150, then got minus 30. So there is a sign of minus in this column. So if we want to ignore this sign, so we have to use for that ABS. Okay, so select the required length, then minus, select actual length, close the parenthesis, press enter. Now let's see. Okay, as you can see now there is no negative sign in this table. Okay, so yeah, so this is the basically we are using the ABS in this format. So basically what we have done here, the function calculate the value of a number irrespective of whether it is positive or negative. Okay, thanks watching for this video.